Hello everyone, welcome to the Canton Fair and welcome to Carku. My name is Dustin and I'm sales manager in Carku. Many friends ask me, what does Carku actually do? Let me tell you, come on. We are a globally leading lithium battery application provider, specializing in the research and development, production and sales of lithium battery applications. And our main products include emergency jump starters, portable power stations, and start-stop lithium batteries. Let me tell you something. The world's first ever lithium battery emergency starters made by actually Carku. Come on then. This is our new portable power station model PB86. It has lightweight body and then handheld, as you can see, and it can support maximum output of 600 watts. Come closer, I will show you. We have several outputs: AC output, we have DC output, USB Type A, and of course we have USB Type C. Let me show you. Our portable power station supports 99% of electronic devices. So here we are charging our phone using our Type A USB port. Here we go. As for input goes, as for when the portable power station runs out of the battery, we have several input ports to charge up to 400 watts. Let me show you that. Come on. We have Type C, we have AC input, DC input, and of course we have solar panel input. So this portable power station is suitable for short outdoor trips. Okay. Next up, let me introduce you our heavy-duty 12-volt and 24 volts of jump starters. Come in. Here we have heavy-duty jump starters, JS373 and then JS393. We call it flagship model. And then I will introduce you this one. It has 136,500 milliamp hour or 500 watts hour. And then peak current, listen, peak current of 7,000 amperes. And it can handle any 24-hour trucks and then almost all kind of vehicles to jump start. And then, come closer, I will show you. We have, as you can see, we have 12 and then 24 here. When you connect our cables to the battery, it can automatically detect what type of battery it is. So it's intelligent and clever jump starter. Just need to connect the cables to the battery. That's it. It's lightweight, and then we have several outputs too to charge your mobile devices too. Okay, next up, let me introduce you another multifunctional device by Carku. Here we go. JS507. Two things in one body: air inflation and jump start. Look at its fine and compact design. And by the way, don't fool by its small compact body. Its functions are very powerful. And let me show you some of them. First of all, it's 12-volt jump start. You connect jumper cable. You connect the jumper cable and then connect its positive and negative to the battery, and voila, it can start the car. Right? Now let me show you another function. Come over. When you are driving out on a highway or outdoors, right, your tire is leaking. What to do? I will show you what to do. Here comes another one. Another time it comes JS507. As you can see, how powerful can it be. Last but not least, it has charging devices function. Come on, looks like you can use it as a power bank, right? Like you connect USB to your JS507, and then the other port, you just connect your phone, and voila, your phone is charging. At the same time, other devices too. So we have power bank, jump start, air inflation, and the last one, come on, come closer. When you need in the night time, right, it can be light for you. So a small, compact, fine design, and very powerful multifunction jump starter JS507.